What error codes mean for the HP SmartTank 210, 520, 580, 590 and 5100 printer series. If your printer is displaying blinking lights and an E on the control panel, then it is experiencing an error state. The number next to the E indicates what type of error your printer is experiencing. E1 and E2 error codes. These error codes indicate that the paper size of the print job does not match the length or width of the paper loaded. Press the Cancel button to cancel the print job. Load paper that matches the size of the page you want to print, or change the paper size settings in your print application to match the size of the paper you are using. Then try to print the document again. E3 error code. This error code indicates that the print carriage inside the printer is jammed or stalled. Open the front door. Make sure the printhead cover is properly closed and the print carriage is not obstructed. Remove any jammed paper or other objects that might be blocking the carriage. Close the front door. Press the Resume button to continue printing, or press the Cancel button to cancel the print job. If the problem persists, turn the printer off and on again. For more information on this error code, watch our full-length E3 error video linked in the description. E4 error code. This error code indicates that there is a paper jam. Look for paper that has become jammed inside the printer and carefully clear the jam. For more information on this error code, watch our full-length E4 error video linked in the description. Restart the printer after all jammed paper has been removed. E5 error code. This error code indicates that the scanner is not working. The printer can still print even if the scanner is not working. Press the Cancel button, and then try to scan again. If scanning still fails, turn the printer off, and then turn it back on. E6 error code. This error code indicates that the printer is in an error state. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord. Wait 60 seconds, and then plug the power cord back in. Turn on the printer. E7 error code. This error code indicates that one or more ink tanks are out of ink. Open the front door. Then open the ink tank cap. Open the ink bottle. Place it upside down on the tank, and click it into place. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. Close the ink tank cap. Then close the front door. E8 error code. This error code indicates that a fatal printer error has occurred. Turn the printer off, and then back on again. E9 error code. This error code indicates that a firmware or printer update error has occurred. Turn the printer off, and then on again. If this does not solve the problem, download the latest printer firmware from support.hp.com/drivers. For more information on downloading the latest firmware, watch our full-length update firmware video linked in the description. If you are experiencing any of these error codes, and the solutions did not resolve the issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact.